I had no idea that was gonna make sound. Pretty sure it wasn't. I just turned 14, I think, when I started using Logic. Nobody wanted to hear the music I was making. It was not good, but I had the tools that I needed at that age to try to start learning. The computer was essentially like the last instrument that I learned. I learned how to play piano. I was a young kid and then started to play the guitar, and I was in a choir my whole childhood, learned how to read melody lines and stuff. And then to me it was like all of that knowledge simultaneously applied and also thrown out the window when it came to like understanding how to make music with a computer. To me, the thing that is the most exciting about the creative space is like the elimination of gatekeepers, because you just have all of the tools at your disposal. It means that a really good idea like can't be turned down as easily. All of my music exists on my laptop. There's no limit to where I'm gonna have the idea that I need to articulate and put down somewhere. Planes, tour buses. I mean, I've produced entire songs for people, you know, on a tray table, on an airplane. I'm usually like in the middle of turbulence over like the Atlantic Ocean, so I'm like doing that on my keys. What's really satisfying is when you're sitting in a room with someone and they just have an idea in their head and they kind of like phonetically like mouth it to you. And they go like, I want it to be like, whoop, whoop, whoop. And you go like, great. And you can, the faster you can make that happen for them, like that to me is like wizardry. That's so satisfying. I just put out a song where like I bombed the bass line in the last verse. Ah, there you go. It's pretty bad. And I was just like, dude, you're not gonna notice. It's like, it's under everything. You don't hear anything. You don't hear a thing at all, so it works out great. To me, like trying to make music on a computer that feels sort of like inherently organic and live is like not fixing every one of your mistakes, like allowing your mistakes to like live on to the final production. I mean, that's all I'm ever trying to do is like express myself or help whatever artist I'm working with express themselves. That to me is the whole truth of it, is like there really isn't like a right or wrong way to do it. It just matters that you can do it.